May gabi bay. Wala lang. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay, lingaw. So I'll show you around my studio. So let's go back in time and show you about my studio. Yeah. Wala klaro akong vlog ganina kay wala ko kahunat and wala siya ayo. Anyway, natangari karon sa wait a minute. 1 sec. Sakas ako sa taas. And then what's that? Kalimutan ko. I just need to get the memory card for my camera. Yeah, naog na balik. So balik na storya. Naako ko ron sa akong studio. This is where I film most of the stuffs that I do, and I just want to show you muna siyang lighting kung normal. Ba't di siyang lighting? I have my camera here. I have my mic in case if I don't use this. I have the aperture light. Mini dome na siya. Kaya naguba ang akong initial nga. I used to have this one here, but naguba. So just got the mini dome light. Nindot siya kay ma-fold siya ba. And then I have this as my light. Tanggal. So I have this as my backlight. Kanisha. But I can use this one here as my light. Let's try it now. Di siya maklaro, hinay. But the thing is, I'll turn on my key light. Muna siya akong key light. Nara ko nga rin. But di siya nga video. Okay. I'm using the Osmo Pocket. Muna siya. And I'm going to turn off this light here. So, yeah. Muna siya ang lighting. Naalaning monitor nga rin muna siyang hayagay. But this is the usual lighting I do. And this is the camera. Lang. So this is the main camera that I have. Ay natagda diha. Muna siya ang A7C2. And then if you go around, muna siya ang view. So it's either I use that light kanang gamay. I haven't used it yet, but I'm gonna try to use that light. Or I'm gonna use this one here. Mas kusog siya kay mas dako. So turn off that light. And I'm gonna go here. Na siya light diha, and that's how it looks. Just turn off this one here. So I'll put off na tali. Okay. So muna siya. This is how I set my screen up from my all previous vlogs. But anyway, I'm just showing you random things. Yeah, just showing you random things that I do around here. Naglibog ko sa button. But yeah, that's my main light up there. That's my backlight. And this is just my garage. So it's kanang dili kay siya. Oh, normal siya. And since I use this camera, good manig low light ang Sony, so it's much better. I don't know what the light here with this one. Anyway, nag-try lang video ron kasi the other day I tried to make a video, didn't finish it. Tried to make another one today, this morning, didn't finish it. So I'll finish it with this studio. Random things. This is my studio. This is where I do my stuff, which I haven't been doing. At the moment, nakoy kanang desk sa taas where I work. But I also have this here, which is I'm working on this wedding taken by Josiah. Anyway, muna siya bay. Just want to show you around a bit. And I'm going to go back to work now. Yeah.